BeeHero provides precision pollination services to growers of bee-pollinated crops. What IoT is doing for us, it's enabled us to see what's going on and understand what's going on inside a hive without actually opening it to look in. So we place an IoT connected sensor actually in the hive that monitors key parameters of that colony. So the temperature, the humidity, the actual acoustics, the audio of the bees. So it's literally connecting a hive to the internet. So and it provides that visibility and data that can help inform decisions. A colony of bees has one queen, and that queen is the only queen that reproduces and lays eggs. So the whole, if you like, hive is really dependent on that queen and that queen laying. And we can detect, using our sensors, the status of the brood and if the queen is laying, if the queen is present, and we can alert the beekeeper to any problems with the queen. So that's absolutely vital, because if a colony goes queenless, the population will just collapse because there's no new eggs laid. So queen status is vital for beekeepers, and that's one of the main things that we monitor. Globally, there's about 75% of all food crops are dependent to some degree on insect pollination. That includes most of our high nutrition, high value crops, so fruit, nuts, seeds, vegetables. So it's critically important. We've only got a limit. We've got one planet. It's got a limited amount of arable land available left. We're using most of it. So all of the increase in production that we're going to need over the next 30, 40 years has to come from yield improvements. There's no more land available. So precision agriculture, full stop, has a massive role to play in helping us achieve that. And pollination as an element, and particularly because so many crops are dependent on pollination, it's going to be vital. It can have a huge contribution. Bees are incredible sentinels of their environment because they're out there intensively foraging in the flowers and trees. So the health of that colony reflects the health of the environment in which they live. By listening to the bees, you can actually sort of improve the environment for all of us.